In local government, one factor influences everything else: finance. Plans depend on it, projects rely on it, services are sustained by it. But beyond availability of funds, what truly matters is how those funds are managed. Because resources alone do not create results. Structure does, discipline does, accountability does. Over time, working within local government systems, one thing becomes clear to me: financial management is not just about spending, it is about process. Funds flow through established systems, from allocation to approvals to disbursements to reporting. Each stage matters, and each stage is guided by clear rules. Frameworks such as the financial memoranda exists to ensure that financial activities follow due process, from budgeting to revenue collection to expenditure control to record keeping. Because when these processes are followed, the system remains stable. And when they are ignored, challenges begin to emerge: leakages, delays, unclear records, reduced trust. This is why discipline is essential. Every approval must follow procedure. Every expenditure must be justified. Every record must be properly documented, not just for compliance, but for transparency. And this is where oversight becomes important. Auditors play a critical role in reviewing financial activities, ensuring that funds are used in line with established guidelines. And beyond internal systems, there are external structures. Financial flows often involve coordination between local governments and the state, especially within joint account frameworks. This makes accountability a shared responsibility, because effective financial management requires cooperation, clarity, and trust. There is also the question of revenue. Local governments are not only recipients of allocation, they are also expected to generate internal revenue through markets, through local services, through structured collection systems. But revenue generation must also follow process: clear systems, proper documentation, transparent remittances. Because what is collected must be accounted for. Now, when financial discipline is present, something important happens. Resources are used more effectively, projects are easier to execute, confidence in the system increases, and governance becomes stronger. Because at the end of the day, financial management is not just about numbers, it is about trusts. Trusts that resources are being used responsibly. Trusts that processes are being followed. Trusts that outcomes will reflect proper management. This is what sustains any system. In our next conversation, we'll look at another critical dimension: how local governments can strengthen service delivery and respond more effectively to the needs of the people. This is The Representative, exploring ideas that strengthen governance and transform representation, one idea at a time.